see Naija for 102.7. Now in position both live and direct. Check your time right now. 21 minutes, few seconds now. Remember before the hour of 10 a.m. Yeah, but before then, we'll just briefly yarn with the newly evicted housemate of the Big Brother Titan, the one and only
Blaqboi.
Wow.
I didn't see that coming. Wow, okay.
The Blaqboi, Blue boy. AKA Mr. Director.
Oh, thank you.
AKA Captain Blaqboi.
Welcome. Anyway, officially, Blaqboi did the building right now, and he did with us. So in the next couple of minutes, we'll yarn with him. I just want to know how your experience be inside the house. Would you say you carry commot?
To be honest, this is one of the best experiences of my life, and I would trade it for nothing. If I had the chance, I would go again. So generally, I would say it was life changing. Loved it.
Okay.
Being sane and 7 days remain, to the finale or the final, and you did look the 7 days scroll for eyes, but unfortunately, you did evicted. How you feel?
And to be honest, and that don't really pay me because first of all, I know say I've been get 2 opportunities to get to the final. When the veto power and when my partner been get chance to save me, but like I look these things as okay, maybe not my fit to get to the final. Maybe because I've been come close 2 times. I'm like okay maybe my fit is to come out and I'm very okay with that.
With that one.
Another thing we say we notice when the show been just start, you be not really show yourself, but as the show they go on, you can't start to they grow on us. We they see your creative part, your personality and the rest of them. We feel talk say it they intentional.
It thing be say myself, and when I come people they talk down, I don't know. So now when I come up, people just they don't see me for house first 2 weeks, and I say, you serious? I don't know whether because of the number of people or because drama not be really there.
You just lost inside the many number of people.
I don't know. Maybe now it's happening that because now which everybody talk so, but I feel like say I've been there consistent with myself throughout. Maybe I just been need time so that people go see me.
Okay. But how you go classify your stay and your relationship with the babes for the house?
Basically, I feel like for my own part, I try to be cordial with everybody. I try to say, I make sure I
who you did cordial with pass, so you feel so your cordiality be there with pass
for the house, generally to the end. My people, my babes.
Babe now, who take concern you concern guy?
I get guys now. Okay, for babes for the house, those way I did, those way my
when they genuine,
really genuine. Genuine na my person. Blue Eva na my person, Nana na my person, Kosi na my person.
Hold on, the 2 days I want me call don't call them in between. You put them in the window. So waiting really occur between you and Blue Eva at first before you
Nana first
before you move to Blue Eva.
For Nana, just like I don't talk for long. For Nana, in a case of say when we come into the house, I had it close because of I think where we come from. I come from Plateau, she's from Kaduna, and I think it's that sentiment of we're from like the same
neighbors. Okay,
exactly, there's that. And so I just genuinely like that from a genuine angle. So
not be somebody when be one wrong things with.
No,
like romantic.
No,
deep down your heart, Blaqboi.
No, I just genuinely like that. That was why anytime she pushed me or anytime she did something, I still like try to come back to talk to her. I think it was misinterpreted.
So now she misinterprets that relationship with you.
I think people misinterpreted, but her outside. But her I tell her say I tell her say me I no dey ready for any serious relationship.
That means the true person when you get relationship with now the Blue Eva. So what it drag you or draw you to Blue Eva?
For Blue Eva, just like I talked from the beginning, like when she entered the house, like I see what she been do. So I just
now the dancing you like, I've been at the body shape.
Because she a mirror on 5 and 6. So
for Blue Eva, to be honest, not about like what she looks, how she looks.
So what did draw you to Ram?
I think for Blue Eva, I saw something that I think people weren't really seeing in her.
What is that thing now? Share with us.
I saw Kebato in her.
Hey, which one be Kebato?
Kebato na her name na the real Blue Eva. Blue Eva na her name.
So you look into her, see the real her.
You see her soul.
I see her soul. I'm just like I tell her every day. It's not about your body. It's about your.
You shall not be bad, but talk truth, not be pretend.
And for the beginning, yes. For the beginning, it starts as me, I know what in the happen. So like that whole operation thing, I know what in the happen. So
smooth operator.
Smooth operator. I just they flew, just they go and everything. But to be honest, eventually I can't really start it like her. Towards and I can't really start it like her. So
you feel say deep down your heart, she returned that likeness you get for her.
I think she did.
So just to conclude right now, Rabo, if you see anything if you happen outside of the house,
I don't know.
We
never really.
You be there relationship before you enter the house?
No.
All of them are always this single. I don't understand. Let's say relationship for this country.
So I want to ask you. So you get something where we say Nana been talk, during the life eviction where.
I hear.
Well, you should be talk say the game plan now to get a South African guy, but on the way you now you just enter the whole arrangement. So you feel at any point say you did use
because I don't, just like I talked for the beginning of this thing, me and Nana, I genuinely truly like that from
but she misinterpreted.
Yes, and not aside that, coming out and seeing what she said, I won't lie, it actually got to me because I'm like, oh, I don't know if she's saying the truth. I don't know if she just said it for. I don't know why she said it, but like.
Yeah, but she don't come out position.
What if you be actually get plans to go that way, but after you spend some time with her, you realize say, oh, this person not be the kind of person I want.
No, I never like from the onset, from the get go. The first time we the conversation come, I tell her say, nah, I'm not really like down for it. I made it very clear, I'm not really down for it. Yeah, I think the issue again, just like I think the issue is that I genuinely care for people, and I don't want you to look like just because something didn't work out then we become enemies. I think that's why I try to keep that relationship with her, and I think that's why it always got misinterpreted. But like from a genuine perspective, from a genuine place, I liked her as a person, as a friend.
So when you talk about your partnership with Ipeleng now, how you go take describe her?
With Ipeleng, I feel like it's a very complicated one because of course we started like in a rough place, but along the line we got to each other. In fact, there was a time I was having my diary session where MB asked me how I felt about her, which made me very emotional because I truly loved how she came out of her shell and her growth on the show. But again, towards the end, we also what happened, and I know it's a game and not to feel entitled to the veto power save, but I think the reason why it kind of got to me was because if I was in a position, I would have saved her. Like I wouldn't even think twice, yeah. So I think
you sure now not the house, now I will police.
No, I will save her.
So indirectly now, they're happy with the boo-boo.
No,
with the choice. No, you pick.
I'm happy for a boo-boo, but like
you just feel safe now. You for do.
Yeah, so I mean,
do what you expect.
I'm a human being. There's that sentiment. It's like we've been running a race together, me and her, till we're almost at the finish line. Then she had the opportunity to like carry.
But you don't say you did competitive, and she need to. Be safe too.
It's a game.
You get competitive. We see everything where we say you do.
How much you win inside the house last night?
Never tell me all my money.
That means you win plenty for you not to lose count.
So I want to ask, if now you there, if you be person where we say so somebody else for the house, they're very very competitive too. Just like you go pick that competitive.
If you see opportunity to push.
So here's the reason she told me. She said she picked a boo-boo because she don't want to leave the house first.
She's trying to be safe.
No, not that she wants to win. She didn't want to leave the house first. That means she wanted them to call somebody before her.
Yeah.
If they went to call. So my point is, if you leave fourth and you leave second or third, like what's it? You're not winning the money. So like for you to take your partner to the finals or for you to leave fifth, like I don't know, and that's just me. I think if I was in a position,
that decision not go affect on our relationship, like on our friendship. If you take go affect her.
To be honest, even for the house, you don't affect them because me and the person, I don't know if it
hide your feelings.
I feel like say for the house, I was very if I feel some type of way towards you, I cannot come and fake it with you. So I think,
tell her straight.
I think she kind of felt that we kind of
separated a bit,
and shame that's not. It's not like what I wanted, but like I can't help it. I actually felt some sort of way, and I needed to like show that I felt.
Okay. So sorry. Before we go, we say you do some directing, and you saw your creative part. So now every time you don't come up from the house, should we be expecting more movie direction?
Yes. So contents back to back. I'm also like launching my production company soon. So let's watch out for that.
So you're doing into music video and movies.
Basically anything visual.
You
directing,
will do. You owe me one video. You owe me one video.
That's fine. That's nothing. We'll talk about that.
Not be talking that line. And money don't involve. So we'll talk about that. We're supposed to discuss the money. Now free and look for bros. Invest in me. Let's help each other. You are coming up. I'm coming up. Let's come up together. Anyway, so sharp right now inside the house right now with the last step finally. So if you believe say you go come out as a winner of this Big Brother title. These are the first First edition.
Yes. Just like I've said, even on stage the day I was evicted, my two people for the house where they root for Kanaga Junior and Kosi.
Kosi.
Yeah, because my people do that. Yeah, Kosi and Kanaga Junior.
But you get one thing, something else. During that my party of life, this thing we've seen I do. You actually feel say that's everything where KJ talk about. Do you think say now really for you or now for that thing just change that based on everything?
Now, what do you think of that?
Now waiting some of the people who they watch from house because the self say go they sing lullaby for you. Man they sing lullaby for my fellow man.
Yeah, now when you talk
Man they sing lullaby for fellow man.
I mean, it passed what would they say?
But am my guy, so
They sing lullaby for you before you go bed.
no.
You should say camera, no.
Well, now when you talk, I'll go listen to this
now.
speech again. But like, I feel like there's some part of it that was me.
Believe you.
Yeah, that was part of them. So I didn't even think it that.
Okay.
No, but I don't think he would. I think he was for me.
Okay.
Okay. So just to wrap up right now, at least you don't tell us who you expect to win this season of Big Brother Titan. Now for you right now, what it did next for you apart from the movie production and the rest? Then
Okay, so basically, I'm just taking our time to like plan, have a proper structure. Before I start moving, because guys, I wouldn't lie to you, it is not easy. A lot, like this past 48 hours has been one of the most stressful hours of my life. They drag me every second. I do this one, they drag me. So the thing is, I talk and say Kosi and Kanaga are the people I root for. But because from morning I posted Kanaga's picture. Bam, then Kosi people started dragging.
Come for you, yes.
I be fake. I say, guys, I've told you guys that Kosi is my person. Kanaga is like, because I posted Kanaga without posting Kosi doesn't change anything. Then drag me.
Now the fans now their work.
No, now their work. Now their work. You get
people that loved you few hours ago, and now if you see the insult,
they're not they stay one place. So just they used to run. They're different people. They fluctuate like never.
So waiting with the last one where you get for the Black Nation right now.
I'm not gonna lie. Coming out of the house and I'm seeing people, I'm seeing DMs, I'm seeing what people are doing, I've seen what people have did. It did like dream. It did like dream. And I just want to say I'm forever grateful to the Blaqboi Nation. Forever I am indebted to you guys. I love you guys from the bottom of my heart. And I will not let you guys down. The creative side you saw in the house, you're going to see times 10 outside the house. The genuine person you saw in the house, you're going to see like that's why I've been where I be. I know they change anything. Whoever is on the house is who you're going to see outside the house. So thank you very much for this.
We just get one last question to wrap up and then share social media platform handles. I beg. Now you don't stay for us, stay pass. Who be the highest user of condom for that place? Just this we got where would they jot things down? Who you? I know say you don't want to measure your name, Shine, even though say you be one of them. But who you suspect say he use and pass for inside the house?
Did they think?
You know that condom thing, say you go see condom go full today. Tomorrow you can see two inside. You don't go know who they carry.
Who you suspect?
I dey suspect
Not fear.
No fear. I dey suspect Juju baby. You know Juju baby? Yeah. No, na joke. No.
You dey suspect Juju baby?
Na joke. I dey joke.
Are you kidding?
Na joke. I dey joke. No.
Or who you call the suspect?
No, na joke. I don't really know.
They fear. No one mention.
I don't really know anybody where they actually call names.
All your people that come out. Your name now. My name
Me, condom. For what?
Better measure your own.
What for?
Measure your own name now.
For what?
Seriously.
To blow me? Why?
We don't say you they blow for inside the house. We see all you.
Because you measure yourself, you use and do balloons.
Yes.
Okay, so my IG is Blaqboi_Vic, BLAQBOI_VIC. Twitter same thing, BLAQBOI_VIC. Snapchat, youth, everything same handle.
Facebook, okay. Thank you. Wish you success on top of your new doings or discovery.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
So which Naija song make you see you off now?
Uloma, I dey on my 10 toes, and I don't tell you.
You get on top the original Naija FM 102.7. We radio.